The title is New Generation by Green Dragon. The noise of vehicles has woken us. Among the crowded tall buildings, our dreams and belongings have all been packed. See the polluted sky and know we can't afford to wait for tomorrow's sunrise. Now wake up. It's already time to walk on the road. It's time to walk, time to think. Our bare shoulders wet with sweat. Our long hair tangled by the wind. Our faith and lives are adorned by freedom. Our collective path is determined by individual choice. As much sweat as you shed, that much result you shall reap. So said our great forefathers, but our forefathers are long gone. We don't have to keep quiet. The owner of karma has left me like a toy. With strength and talent, I need to somehow respond. Even the old lady neighbor says I'm spoiled. With power and ability, I'll prove them all. The new generation has a resource called youth. The new generation has a pride called confidence. The new generation has an appearance called playfulness. The new generation has a temptation called freedom. The new generation has a resource called youth. The new generation has a pride called confidence. The new generation has an appearance called playfulness. The new generation has a temptation called freedom. At one time, I thought that love was everything. Then love turned me into nothing. A girl I loved so much has given me a very beautiful gift. The horse of time departed early morning, the small flame under your saddle. The blood and bodies frozen in the ice are bound to fade. We are the sharp wisdom that your speeches and lectures haven't reached. We are the smooth darkness that your flame and power hasn't absorbed. We are the response with playfulness that makes your heart ache. We are the infection and fright to your livelihood. The new generation has a resource called youth. The new generation has a pride called confidence. The new generation has an appearance called playfulness. The new generation has a temptation called freedom. Our story has not ended here. It's just the beginning. We never fall asleep, but are awake forever. Get used to dreaming. Get used to unlawful damage and uprisings. Get used to this way of living. Get used to moving forward to our beloved and proud new generation.